A boat can travel 30 km downstream in 2 hours and the same distance upstream in 3 hours. What are the speeds of the boat in still water and the stream? Let us first understand what is downstream and upstream. Imagine that the river is flowing in this direction. Let this be the flow of the river, and my boat is flowing in the same direction. This is the direction of the flow of boat or traveling direction of the boat. That means if both the directions are same, the river speed would be assisting the boat speed. Hence, this speed is called, or this flow is called as the downstream flow. So we can write here downstream. Now, if the boat is traveling in the opposite direction, so if the boat is traveling in this direction, that means the river speed would be acting against the speed of the boat. Hence, this speed becomes, or the flow becomes upstream. Now remember, the speed is a scalar quantity. So if the speed of the river is say R and speed of the boat is B, then they would directly add up when it is downstream flow. And if the speed of the boat is B and speed of the river is R, then the river speed would be negated from both. That is, the original speed or the actual speed will become B minus R when it is flowing upstream. Now let us go to our problem and see what the values are here. A boat can travel 30 km downstream in 2 hours and the same distance upstream in 3 hours. What are the speed of the boat in still water and the stream? So let us consider the standalone speed or the speed of the boat in still condition to be B. So let's write it down. Speed of the boat stand still is equals to B, and speed of the river to be R. Now we know that speed is defined by distance traveled in a particular time. So it means speed would be equals to distance divided by time. So let us come back here. What are the values available? So first let us find out the downstream speed. So if it is flowing along with the flow of the river, which is downstream, so the downstream speed would become equals to B plus R. Why it is added directly? Because speed is a scalar quantity. And similarly, upstream speed would be B minus R. Now B plus R, let's first write down the first equation. B plus R, which is the downstream speed, would be equals to 30 divided by 2 because it traveled 30 kilometers in 2 hours while flowing downstream. Hence I can write B plus R is equals to 15, and this is my first equation. Similarly, B minus R would be same distance traveled in 3 hours. That means 30 divided by 3, which would be equals to B minus R is equals to 10. This becomes my second equation. If I do 1 plus 2, equation 1 plus equation 2, it will be B plus R plus B minus R is equals to 15 plus 10. This R and R would get cancelled out and we will get twice B is equals to 15 plus 10. Hence B is equals to 25 divided by 2 is this is kilometers traveled in certain amount of time, which is in hour. Hence it will be kilometer per hour. So this is the speed of the boat individually without having any assistance from the river speed. Now if I put this 12.5 in any of this equation 1 and 2, what I will get, say B, and let me put it in equation 1. So B, if I put as 12.5 plus R is equals to 15, then I will get R is equals to 15 minus 12.5 is equals to 2.5. Again, this speed will be in kilometer per hour. Hence, the final answer would be speed of the boat is 12.5 kilometer per hour and speed of the river is 2.5 kilometer per hour. I hope this is clear for you. If you would like to see more explanation of problems like this, please subscribe my channel and like and share this video. Thank you.